In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retract or cancel an offer on eBay. If you've made an offer on an item and then changed your mind, eBay gives you a way to review your offers and cancel the one you no longer want to keep active. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can find your submitted offers and select the one you want to cancel. To begin, make sure you're signed into your eBay account. Once you're on the eBay website, look toward the top area of the page for the My eBay menu. This is where eBay keeps your account activity, including purchases, watch list items, bids, and offers. Move your cursor over My eBay so the menu appears. If you're on a desktop browser, hovering should reveal the available options without needing to open a new page first. From that menu, click on Bids Offers. This section is where eBay groups together the activity related to items you're bidding on or negotiating through offers. It's the easiest place to manage open offer activity, especially if you've submitted offers to more than one seller and need to check their current status. After you open the Bids while Offers page, look for the Offers area. Here, you'll be able to review the offers connected to your account. Find the specific offer you want to cancel, then select it. This lets you identify the exact listing you no longer want to proceed with, which is important if you've sent multiple offers recently. Take a moment to double check that you're choosing the correct item before moving forward. Item titles can sometimes look similar, and selecting the right offer will help you avoid canceling the wrong one by mistake. If the offer is still eligible to be canceled, eBay will typically provide the option from there. One helpful tip is to act quickly if you've decided not to continue with an offer. Depending on the listing and the seller's response, there may be only a limited window in which the cancellation is possible. If the seller has already accepted the offer, the process may be different, so reviewing the offer status carefully is always a good idea. And that's how to retract or cancel an offer on eBay by going to My eBay, opening Bids with Offers, and selecting the offer you want to cancel. It's a simple process once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.